In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Squarespace. Anchor links are a fantastic way to guide your visitors directly to specific sections of a longer page. They make it easier for people to quickly find the information they need. And the best part is they're really simple to set up once you know how. Let's get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. If you usually sign in with Google, go ahead and click Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, select the website you want to edit. Now, let's create the anchor destination. Navigate to the page where you want your link to scroll to. Click Edit, then choose Add Block. From the block options, select Code Block. This is where you'll define your anchor point. Inside the code block, you'll type a short snippet of HTML that assigns a unique ID. For example, this ID is what your link will target. You can name it whatever makes sense, just remember to keep it short and clear. Next, go back to the part of your page where you want the clickable link. Highlight the text, then click the little chain link icon to add a URL. Instead of typing a full web address, type a hash followed by the ID you created. For example, hashtag blogspot, click apply, then save your changes. Now, when visitors click that link, they'll jump directly to your chosen section. If you're unsure, just use the preview option to test it out before publishing. And that's it. You've successfully created anchor links on your Squarespace site. They're especially useful for long-form pages, FAQs, or any content where quick navigation improves the user experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks.